So I saw your question in the email about let's see, 5.3. You want to find the z-score. You could use table here. So you want to find z-scores for this image here. You could use table, just click there and look for the area closest to that and the corresponding z-score. Or you can use StatCrunch. I like using it, or the calculator. So that area is 0.0217. You want to find the z-score goes with that, where that's the area to the left. So you go in here, click on Stack Calculators, and you choose the normal calculator. Since z-score, the mean 0 and standard deviation 1, you don't have to change those. And you just put this area in here, 0.0217, and it shows you that area. Click Compute, and it gives you the z-score right here. Negative 2.01. Is that 98, etc. You just round it, put it there. You also need the positive value over here by symmetry. This thing's symmetric, so you just change this to a positive 2.0198, for the second answer. A few other ways you could do this with StatCrunch, but I think this is the easiest. Just find the area left, put in the area left and find the z-score, and use symmetry, or take the absolute value of it, and it'll give you the z-score for the area to the right. Hope that helps.